Welcome back to the Baby Hawk HD 2 frame giveaway. One of you people has won. We hit 200 subscribers. I'm so happy indeed. So, who is the winner? Going on forward, I'm gonna go live and pick out a winner like that because that's better. That way you see I'm not cheating or picking someone special or whatever. But I was just trying to figure out how to do it, and it picked someone, and I just felt like if I went live and picked someone else, it wouldn't be fair. I wanted to give it to the person that really won it. So who really won it? Dun, 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 dun. Needful Things. Congratulations. You are the winner of this Baby Hawk 2 HD frame. Hey boss, I found you on FPV Canada. My first drone broke. First flight. Bad luck. I'd love to win the frame so I can purchase the components and learn from the ground up. I think best learning tool is build it yourself. Thank you for considering me. No problem, Needful Things. Very happy you win. Congratulations. You can come pick it up, or you can message me on the Instagram, Mr. Snake FPV. Hey, I win. Please, my address, and we discuss how I send to you, or you come get it. Thank you for hitting 200 subscribers. I feel so special that next prize I'm going to give you a brand new digital soldering iron. A brand new digital soldering iron. It's orange, it's pretty, it has a digital display, it's brand new, and it can be yours. So just, you want it? Smash the like button. Tell me you want it. Tell me you want it. Say something nice. I don't know, and when we hit 300 subscribers, then you could be the proud new owner of a digital soldering iron. It could be you. Just like Helpful Hands? What was his name? Needful Things. Just like Needful Things, you could be our next winner. Isn't that amazing? I know. Amazing. So subscribe, smash the like button, leave a comment below, and you could be the proud new owner of this glorious orange digital soldering iron. Until next time, happy flying. But wait, I was wrong. There is more. It comes with this beautiful nose hair plucker and a sponge that you should never use. You know, you should use the brass thing. And look at all these tips. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different tips. Will you look at that? That's amazing. If you want this glorious digital soldering iron, all you have to do, smash that like button, leave a comment, get involved. If you win, you have to pay for shipping. Okay? That's just that.